nasty. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're here, we're about to install these NRG seat harnesses for the seats. I figured we have racer seats, why not put the seat belts, you know?
This car is fast.
No, it's not as slow as fuck, what are you talking about? It's just looks though, it's all looks. It's all looks though. It's all looks. Yeah. So, right now we're taking out the seats because I figured it would look better too without the seats. Make it look more racy racer. And fucking weight reduction too, dog.
Yep.
Seats don't weigh nothing, so ain't no biggie. But either way, my brother is right now is taking out some back parts of the seats. If he doesn't hurry up, I'm gonna smack
13
him.
just a wrench though.
13 the wrench?
Yeah.
Speed wrench, dog? Come on, dog. Talk to me like a mechanic, dog. You take a 15?
No, it's too big.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for it. Let me just show you the seat harnesses I got. These are the NRG Innovations. Yeah. These are the, I think the five piece ones. The shoulder ones. Two. And one for the side. I think the right side. The left side, I don't think it matters. This is the one in the middle. I'm not gonna put the middle one because I don't want my balls to be hurting. So, no. That's what happens when you have big nuts, right, Alex?
Yeah.
Nah, I just don't know. I don't know. I can't figure out where to put them. There's no bolt inside here for it. I could tap a bolt in there, but I ain't about to do all that. This is the other side. The side ones, I might either put it here or right here. And for the back, showing the pole already. Showing the back part for the pole. You showed them already? Or?
I was going to, but yeah, you need to look at me. There's the bar.
Fuck you.
This bar here.
That's the bar right here for the. I did not install that bar. That bar was already came with the car.
It's fast. It's fast. Y'all listen. It's fast. Fast car, my guy.
Bro, you're breaking my seat out. Well, that's where I'm gonna put these rear ones for the shoulders. Put those on those bar right there, on the bar right there. So right now, like I just said, he's taking out the seats and he's hurry the fuck up. As a matter of fact, I'll just get in there and help him. So
no, I'm about to finish.
Catch you guys up right now.
I'm about to finish.
Yeah. You're still doing it.
I got one off. Okay.
I'm gonna take this out. Anybody want to buy seats? What's up? Let me know. Got the other one too?
No.
Okay. Hey, what do you think? Should I paint the inside or no?
No.
No? Damn, it gets a bubbly right here. This looks kind of nasty. Kind of want to break that, to be honest.
No, yeah.
Alright. So right now we're putting the shoulder bolts on. Show that here. This is actually for the hardware. The hardware, if you want, you can install it there. Right here. Where the seats were, or where one right here for the left shoulder goes here, and then for the right shoulder you put it here where the buckle is. That's for the hardware. This right here, this attachment here is for the hardware. But since we're not going to use the hardware for the shoulder belts, we're going to use this. We just took it off, so you can see the little thing there on this back. So what I'm reading here in the instructions is that you set it here, you wrap it around this, you put it through here, you put it over the thingy, inside under the thingy, put it back in the thingy. Alright? So I'm going to do that right now. For those who don't understand.
So you only need this if you don't have this.
Yeah, you only need the hardware if you don't have the roll cage.
So whoever uses this don't have a fast car.
Stupid. It's fast. I like you saying fast car. It's not fast, dog. I told you it's not fast. It just looks.
Slow piece of shit.
Yeah, slow piece of shit is better.
It's something.
Show him put on the wing, bro. Slow piece of shit.
Yeah, you got it?
Oh my god, I'm just getting nervous though, you know, in front of people.
That's it?
No, bro, you gotta, once you put it in here, you wrap it under this. Over right here. Back inside here, you know how it's right here? And then you put it back. Backward, in the beginning where you inserted it.
Keep on saying you got it, but you don't got it.
Shut up, bitch. We'll be right back in these shirt commercials.
We'll be right back.
Alright. So we got these done. like I said, go over, under, over, under, over, under.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Let me show you guys the fucking shit I'm following. Not gonna be the same for all the seats, just for the NRG, I guess. Well, maybe the majority of them, yeah. See the roll cage right here itself? That's the roll cage. The harness. This is for the attachment. You don't have to follow that. Whoa, why does my finger look ugly? What the fuck? Hold on. Let me take that now.
What do you do with these?
If I have to do my pedicure.
What do you do with these?
Keep them. Okay. Over the roll cage.
Did you move this like that?
When it's over, you put it inside the bracket. The little, whatever the shit is. I don't know what the fuck it is. Over, under, and then over again. Back. See?
Yeah.
See how it looks right here?
Yeah.
That's how that looks.
Yep.
So, right now, we'll just take off this one again for the other one.
Both are marked.
Take it both already?
Yeah.
Take off as much slack as you could do the first one. Make sure it's the same amount. This one's not that bad, although we didn't aim. It's alright.
That's a little long, my guy.
Alright. So the shoulder harnesses are on right now, both seats.
I told you, 17, my guy. I told you to be a 17, my guy.
There you go, you're getting good at it, dog. You're getting good at it. They're on the bars already. Hold on, I'm sorry, I just drank some Jaritos right now. Got to be burping. Alright, those are done. Now, side harnesses. So, this one, see the install right here. With the old belt, here's the hardware part. These will be put here. Install there, like that. And the other one, where everything clips on, right here, this one, is going to be installed right there, or in the bottom right there. I haven't decided yet, but I know I said I wasn't gonna put the crotch harness. Yes, put the crotch harness. So what? This one's the crotch harness right here. Oh, hello. I'm gonna put that right here in this cross piece. Oh, my bad. This cross piece right here. We're gonna put it like we're gonna wrap it around like we did on the shoulder ones. Take the hardware off and then wrap it here in the cross piece. It's gonna work, so at least I think it's gonna work. Just to use all the harnesses, right? Right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right.
Whoa, you look like a fucking goat with that
Right
beard,
here?
dog.
You do right here?
No, hell no.
Oh,
Right there, it's the cross piece, bro. Before that. So right now we're gonna save you guys a hassle. I'm already telling you guys what we're gonna do.
Yeah,
I feel like this video is already too long.
Yeah.
Fuck you, bro.
Oh, I'm agreeing with you,
Hey,
stupid.
fuck you, dog.
So Christian, bro.
Nah, bro.
Alright, check this one off already.
You took it off?
Yeah.
Are you gonna put it?
Yeah.
Let me see what you're doing. I gotta surprise this guy. Hold up.
Back to the seat.
The what?
Back to the one I'm
The one you did.
That's the wrong shit, my guy.
Oh, you have it?
No.
What's back here?
I gotta go.
This one, right? Oh, the crotch one's right here. There's the crotch one. The crotch? Yeah. The crotch. There, you put that. Either put it like this. I think like this, though. Yeah, look at this shit. This is weird. What? Damn! No, so put it. Put this one, take this one out. Put it in between that. Put that one here. Now put it back, brother. I'm gonna keep these on just in case you want to be. In case you don't want to wear that one, you just put that one on. Yeah, that goes the right one. Alright, like I said, I'm gonna
Save us some time.
save you guys some time and start installing them and show you guys the results right now.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna show you guys where I installed everything so you guys won't be like, oh, you were showing it. Alright?
I'll be right back. What's this yellow shit for?
Alright, guys. So I need it done. It took a little long, but we got it done. This motherfucker's already in the car. Yeah, bro. Look at that.
She said,
Hey, bro, tuck your hair in, dog. Tuck your hair in. Your hair
I
is
feel safe.
You feel safe?
I feel safe.
Now when I'm driving, dog, you won't.
It's slow.
Yeah, slow. Show them where we connected it. Alright, well, left one, like I said, we put it here. The right one, I decided to put it on the, I bolted down the seat in there. And then front crotch harness, I put it in this cross piece. It's easier. I have to put no hardware, strap it like the back piece. And overall, I mean, I thought it came out good. I'm about to go drive it right now, see how it feels. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same shit. The back looks pretty dope. There goes the back. Yeah. Doesn't look too bad, huh? I like it. Alright, so I guess next time we're just gonna tint the tail lights. I don't like how they look. Sure did. Tint the tail lights. And oh yeah. The rims gotta go, my guy. The rims gotta go. Well, not the rims, the color.
Yeah, the color.
Yeah, they were in black.
Yeah.
Painting them black probably next, what? Next 2 weeks?
Yeah, next week.
Probably next week, next 2 weeks.
That's
And hopefully by that time, your fucking car's back, dude. I don't want to talk about it, but you get sentimental. Look at him, he's already tearing up. Look at that. Alright guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it. Like it. If anything, don't even like or subscribe, bro. Just watch the video, dog. Just watch the video, dog.
Support Inwood's the two twins finest.
Yeah, you guys gotta support the Ingo, dog. Come on.
Yeah, Inwood's finest, man.
Come on. Yeah, I gotta watch this car right now. Ugh, I never noticed that. That fucking brake pedal, though, guy. Ooh. I'll probably put the GTO ones on. Yeah, I gotta change all this little stuff right here. You guys didn't see that. What else I gotta change? The radio, I'm changing the radio. Oh, I'm changing this dash too. Dash right here, gotta get changed already. The crack that is this bad. Found one on eBay for $300. I'll order it soon. And yeah, man. Is there anything you want to say before we leave? No? I'm about to go drive this bitch Saturday, go get drunk, drink some Fosters. Yeah. And
Saturday.
Nah.